You might have been using VLOOKUP for a long time. VLOOKUP returns data from a table by looking up a value in a single column. What if you want to do a search in multiple columns and then return a value? There is a function for that, and it is called multi-column VLOOKUP or MVLOOKUP. Let's see it in action. I got this table here which consists of sales data of different reps. What I need to do is I need to find out the units sold by each rep. So I'll write a formula like MVLOOKUP, the criteria range, which is B, the criteria, the second criteria range, the criteria, and now the range from where the data need to be returned. When we drag the formula, it populates all the items which we are looking for. Let's do it once again, and this time with 3 different columns. Very easy, right? For MVLOOKUP and many such functions and macros, install the add-on Clippy.